In this video, you'll learn how to create a group within your Notion workspace. By following these steps, you will be able to efficiently manage team members and streamline permissions for your projects. Begin by navigating to the Notion website, open your preferred web browser and enter notion.so in the address bar, then press the enter key. Once the page loads, you will see the Notion homepage where you can access your workspace. Next, locate and click on the option labeled Settings in the sidebar. This will open a new menu on the right side of the screen, displaying various settings related to your Notion workspace. Confirm that you are on the correct settings page before proceeding. After that, find and select the workspace option from the settings menu. This section allows you to manage your workspace settings. You will notice a variety of options related to your workspace's configuration and members. Once you are on the workspace settings page, click on the People tab. This will display a list of all members in your workspace. Ensure this list is visible, as it is essential for the next steps in creating your group. Continue by clicking on the Invite link to add members button. This option allows you to generate a link that can be shared with others, enabling them to join your workspace. Take note of any instructions that may appear regarding the link's permissions. Now, select the option that states only people with permission to invite members can see this. You will also have the option to generate a new link if desired. This step is crucial for controlling who can invite additional members to the group. Next, navigate to the Groups section within the Settings menu. This area is dedicated to managing groups in your workspace. Confirm that you are in the correct section before proceeding to the next step. After that, click on Set Up Groups to streamline page permissions from the Share menu and manage team space members in bulk. This action will guide you through the process of organizing your workspace members into groups, simplifying permission management. Now, select the Create a Group button. This will open a new dialog where you can enter details for your new group. Ensure that the dialog appears before you continue. Type in the name of the group you wish to create. Choose a name that clearly reflects the purpose of the group, as this will help you and your team identify it easily in the future. Next, click on the People option again to view the list of members available for your group. This step is necessary to proceed with adding members to your newly created group. Continue by clicking on the drop-down menu that appears. This menu will provide you with options related to managing group members. Make sure the drop-down is fully expanded before you select the next option. Select Add Members from the drop-down menu. This action will allow you to choose which members you want to include in your group. Pay attention to the list that appears to ensure you select the correct individuals. Now, click on the account of the member you wish to add to your group. This action highlights the member for inclusion in your group. Verify that you have selected the right account before proceeding. After that, click on the Add button to finalize the inclusion of the selected member into your group. You should see a confirmation message indicating that the member has been successfully added. Finally, click on the Close button to exit the group settings. This will return you to the main settings menu where you can see your newly created group listed among others. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.